In this video, we will show you how to download and install the HIPAA Enrollment Master. First, we go to the HIPAAsuite homepage at www.HIPAAsuite.com and look under Products. Here you will choose the HIPAA Enrollment Master. On the next page, you will click on Download Trial. We now fill in the form with our details. Finally, to prove we are human, we move this slider at the bottom of the page, then click on the Download button. We are then redirected to the download page, and here we have the choice of 32-bit or 64-bit versions of the Enrollment Master. If you are not sure which operating system you have, you can go to Start, Computer, right-click, then choose Properties. You will see under System Type your operating system. In our case, we will download the 64-bit version. Now we are ready to click on Download. Once we click, we can see the download happening in the bottom left. After the download is finished, we open the zip file. Here we see the setup program and the Enrollment Master installation file. The setup program makes sure that all of the necessary DLLs and Windows prerequisites are met. Now we click on Setup, then Run. Now all of the prerequisites have been met. It might be that your Windows system needs certain libraries that don't come with the standard version of Windows. Most often, the Visual C++ libraries have to be added, as shown here, in the HIPAA Claim Master installation. Now we click on Next. Then we click Agree, install it for everybody, then click Next, then Next again. Now you can see the Enrollment Master is being installed. We can now launch the program by clicking Close. Once we start the Enrollment Master, we see that we now have a 15 days trial to work with the program and become familiar with it. When we click on Try, we can see here the main screen of the HIPAA Enrollment Master. Now we go to File, then Open Sample File, 834 in this case, and click on Run. We now see an 834 enrollment record. In this case, we have a test record. The information here is fake and was created just for testing. Every possible field that is defined in the 834 transaction set guide is included. That's why this form is especially complicated and needs 2 pages to display. Most of the first page contains policy and subscriber information. On the bottom and on page 2, the individual benefits are listed. There is no standard form for the 834 enrollment record. Unlike the 837 claims, where we have standard forms such as the CMS 1500 or the UB 2004 or the various dental forms, we had to make this enrollment form specifically to neatly present and sort the information. On top, we have transaction-related information, such as the sender, the receiver, date, and time. Next, the insured's information is displayed. Note that all cryptic qualifier codes are translated into their descriptions and displayed as cell headers in red, such as Eligibility Begin, which in the EDI file is represented by a much less comprehensible 356. Similarly, we display mailing address, employer information, school information, custodian's information, followed by the benefits. Page 2 shows a prescription drug benefit with detailed primary care provider and a secondary insurance information, the resulting coordination of benefits codes. Additional features of the Enrollment Master include being able to print the forms out to paper, to save the information, export to a spreadsheet file, or a comma-separated text file, to create image files in PDF and TIFF format once configured. A separate video will demonstrate the image creation capabilities of the HIPAA Enrollment Master. Lastly, the most powerful option of the HIPAA Enrollment Master is to save the enrollment information from an 834 EDI file to just about any database. From those database tables, you can expose the data to your processes, manipulate it, and even create new 834 EDI files to send to trading partners. Again, these capabilities are available after setup and will be explained in detail in another video. This concludes the video tutorial on downloading and installing the HIPAA Enrollment Master.